Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in digital marketing we'll discuss about conversion rate optimization, or in short CRO. What basically CRO is, how CRO works, why CRO, and what are the benefits of CRO and what not to do in CRO. Let's get started with it. What is conversion rate optimization? Conversion rate optimization is a process, a methodical process of implementing a series of techniques on the website to ensure that the website generates traffic. Traffic actually leads to generating leads. Leads will be converted into customers, and the customers are those who bring us the business. You have to actually implement CRO on the web to make sure that the leads are generated and leads are actually converted into customers. That is what basically CRO is all about. How CRO actually works? Now let's check this one. A structured and a systematic approach to improving the performance of a website. We all have websites in multiple industries, multiple domains and multiple niche. The websites need to be optimized to ensure that the website actually gives you the business. Website is not just for the heck of it. Website is not just having a website for the sake of having a website. Website need to actually convert and bring you the customers. How websites can bring you the customers? The website actually need to be optimized completely so that the website can generate the kind of traffic that is needed for your website. And these traffic basically are becoming the customers in the future for you. Informed by insight, specific analytics and user feedback. When you optimize the website completely in meeting the user's requirements, the traffic is generated to the website. When traffic comes to the website, you actually analyze the kind of traffic that is coming to your website, what kind of pages they are visiting, how much time they are spending, and if they are leaving any feedback to us or not. This is possible through the analytics and the feedback. You have to analyze the feedback or the analytical information provided from your website so that you keep on improving your website's performance for improved conversion rate. Defined by website's unique objectives and needs. The key performance indicators are very crucial as far as your website's performance is concerned. You need to actually keep on improving the performance of the website in line with the KPIs that you have set for your business so that the website can generate the kind of business that is required for your business. Taking the traffic that you already have and making the most of it. Having a traffic is very good. That helps actually getting some kind of feedback from the customers. But the most important thing is the traffic must be converted into leads, and those leads will be converted into customers. That is actually the process how it works. The traffic is just not the traffic that what you need. You need customers. And if you want customers, the traffic has to be converted into leads and leads will become customers. This is actually the process, and this need to be measured through the kind of KPIs that you have deployed for your business. What CRO is not? Guesswork trying to follow what someone else is doing. More often than not, what we see is we actually do an analysis of competitors who are out there in the business selling the kind of services, solutions, products that you are already selling. We try to actually ape and follow what they are doing. That is not going to work. You may be in the same business, but the important point you need to remember is what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, that need to be analyzed, and you need to optimize your website to get you the better conversion rate, not that you copy what someone else is doing. And guesswork is also not going to work. Let's try that, let's try this will not. You need to go by the kind of analytical information that you are getting from your website based on the user behavior. That is what we need to do as far as conversion rate optimization is concerned. Following advice is good but not always correct. Focusing on quality rather than quantity. We see that we kind of put up a huge number of pages on the website, lot of content, but that is not going to work. Even though the website is smaller with little content on the website, make sure the content that you publish on the website is of very high quality, so that the users can benefit from that content. So focus more on quality rather than on quantity. This is something that you should not be doing as far as CRO is concerned. Implementing CRO. How CRO can be implemented? We will see a few techniques here. A/B testing with 2 landing pages and the CTA. The important thing that you need to do is, when you have a landing page, and that landing page has to actually generate the kind of business for you. More often than not, it may work, it may not work. What you can do is, you can do a A/B testing that actually tells you which landing page and which CTA is working and which is not working. What I mean to say basically is that, have a landing page, have a CTA on them, call to action, have another landing page and a call to action on that page as well, and drive traffic multiple ways and see which one is converting more traffic and which one is generating more revenue for you. You can try out this test, and this really works, and it has been a tried and test formula. Customer journey analysis. We need to analyze the journey of a customer. How this can be done? When the customer or a user comes to a website, actually you need to see what are the pages the website user is walking through, what are the pages that he is checking, how much time is being spent on that particular page, or which are the pages where you get high traffic, which are the products that most people are viewing. This is the kind of journey that the user, from the home page till the products page till the exit from the page, that need to be tracked and analyzed, so that you will know how your website is performing and which are the pages most are performing. Segmentation of this classification is very important. You need to segment each and every product and service solution that you are providing, so that you will understand what service, what solution or what product is actually most viewed, most sold, and which is generating more traffic for you and leading to more customers and generating business for you. This is a few techniques you can implement as far as CRO is concerned. In conclusion, we have seen what is CRO, how CRO works, what CRO is not, and how you can implement CRO techniques. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.